That's a little bass, but he can't. Such a little guy. So super little. There we go. There we go. Don't come off there now. First one of the day. Hey. Oh, I reeled you up a little high. Sorry about that. First one of the day. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on. There you go. There you go. Come on up there. Oh, that's a good hook. There we go. Got a little bloody on him. Cool guy. Let's get him back in the water. Alright, let's get across here. It is a bit deeper. I'm going to pull my phone out of my pocket. Maybe I didn't need to. No, that was a good call. Got pretty wet in my pocket. And then you gotta cross this one. There we go. Look at that fella. Good bluegill. Pretty one. Wow. There we go. Got you up nice and easy. Look at that. That's so pretty. Not a big, super busy day fishing. I don't like snakes on logs. I don't see any. I'm gonna cross where they drip down on me. So pretty over here. It's like the secret spot. Alright, stay back. That's what they tell me to do. I don't know, y'all. Look at this. It's a huge tree uprooted right here. So this is another little way to get to that spot where we saw that big bass earlier in that hole. And he was there yesterday, so we've been gone for a minute. So let me see if I can get something on him. He can real easily tangle me up though. I'm even gonna reel it. Yeah, see, I'm on the other side of that. Oh no. Yeah, look, there he is. There he is. Oh God, he's off. No.